Welcome everybody, thank you for joining. We got a 15-minute HIIT workout, high intensity interval training. That means we're going to be working strength, so grab a pair of weights and we're working cardio. Alright, here we go. Warm it on up, give me some high knees. Back is nice and tall, core engaged, getting those knees up as high up as you can. Swing those arms, get that breathing going, get that heart rate going, get that body warm. Alright, so again, we are doing 2 sets of each exercise. We're going to intermix strength, we're going to intermix cardio, okay? Alright, each round is going to be for about 1 minute. We will take a 15-second breather in between, okay? Just do what you can. Alright, work that body, build that muscle, work that cardio, burn those calories, keep it going. Give me a little bit faster, swing those arms for me a little bit faster as well. Nice job. Again, this workout is short. You can always take more breathers if you need to, okay? More rest if you need it. Then you get right back in it with me. Alright, here we go. Grab your weights. Starting with the front lunge press, okay? So it's going to turn to the side. Front lunge, stepping forward. Press up. Step back. Alright, getting that back knee as close to the ground as you can. Front knee 90 degrees. Back is nice and tall. Elbows forward. Palm towards each other. Alright, so as I said, we are doing each exercise twice here, 2 sets of each, but we're going to alternate between exercise 1 and exercise 2, okay? Keep that balance. Keep that back tall. Working some legs. Working some shoulders here. Nice work. Keep it going. Alright, 10 more seconds of this exercise. Alright, bring it on up. Squat. Suitcase squats. Feet shoulder width. Coming down and up. Exhale as you come on up. Reach that bottom. Imaginary chair right behind you. Picking up those suitcases. Back nice and tall. Shoulders are relaxed. Make sure those knees are bending forward, okay? Make sure those knees aren't going too far past those toes, if any. Good. Keep it going. Keep that chest up. Keep that chest proud, alright? You got this. It's only 15 minutes. Alright, not too bad. But as long as you challenge yourselves, okay? Good. Don't lose that form. If you're losing that form, take a little breather, okay? Shake those legs out. Then get right back in it. Again, strength training is always about that form here. Okay? 5 more seconds. Then we go right back into those lunges with those presses, okay? Alright, here we go. Weights up, palms towards each other, stepping forward. Press up. And back. Make sure that front foot is flat as well, okay? Back is nice and tall. Get that weight up. Good job. Do what you can, okay? If that weight's starting to feel heavy to you, drop it to the ground and then just work it without weight. Okay? Just doing the motion is alright as well. That's a little lower impact. 20 seconds. Don't lose that form. Keep that core engaged. Keep that proud, okay? Alright, go ahead and relax. Suitcase squats. Last set. Here we go. Good. Again. Exhale as you come up. Feet nice and flat on that ground. Push through those heels as you stand it on up, okay? Good. Again, reaching for that chair. Imaginary chair right behind you. You sit down, but then you change your mind. You come right back up. Great job, everybody. 30 seconds left. Okay, keep going. Then we're gonna go right into some cardio, okay? Starting with some jumping jacks. Nice and easy. Good. Sit it a little lower. Good, nice job. Give me a few more. Alright, go and take a little breather here. Alright, grab some water, wipe some sweat. Getting into the cardio next. Alright, fine, 3 seconds. Here we go. Jumping jacks. Low impact jumping jack, 1 foot at a time. Keep those arms moving though, okay? Heels are off the ground, bouncing on those toes. Good job. Again, control the breath. It will help you last longer during this cardio. Okay? And again, we got 2 exercises of cardio. Alternate between the 2. Alright, we're not forgetting that format. 30 seconds left. Nice job, everybody. Keep it going. Keep pushing. Keep breathing. Exhale that breath as you bring those hands up. As you open up those feet, be exhaling. Inhale, she come down. Nice job. Again, find that motivation, okay? Dig deep down inside of you. What are you working for? Alright. Jump rope right here. Bouncing on the toes still. Working those calves. Working the shoulders. Again, think about what you're working for, okay? That's going to help you work through it. That's going to help you stay strong. Keep it going through the workout. Through any workout routine. Alright, you stay with it. You push yourself as much as you can. That's going to give you those results that you want. Okay? Good. Keep going. Keep breathing. 20 seconds left of these. Then we're going back into some jumping jacks, okay? Ten seconds. Keep it going. Alright, I want these jumping jacks a little bit faster when they come up, okay? I want you to push a little bit harder, dig deep down inside of you right here. Let's go. A little bit faster. Keep going. And if you need that lower impact, you're working this, okay? 1 foot at a time. Great. Good job. Again, I want you going a little bit faster than that first set. Alright, challenge yourselves here. Even if that speed is just for a little bit, that's okay. And then you bring it back to normal, that's alright. Keep breathing. Let it sweat. Great job. Working, pushing that body, challenging yourselves. Keep going. 10 more seconds. Then going back into that jump rope. Last set. Alright, jump rope, here we go. Get a little bit faster. A little bit higher off the ground if you can. Bouncing on those toes, push off. Push straight up, alright? Keep going, keep going. Swing those arms a little bit faster. Again, we'll take a breather after this, okay? I want you to push yourselves here. Give what you got. 30 seconds left. Nice job, everybody. Keep going a little bit faster. Good. Keep going. Again, this workout is yours, alright? You challenge yourself as much as you feel like you need to. Alright, almost there. And relax. Take a little breather here, grab some water if you need to. Wipe some sweat. Control the breath. Inhale and exhale. Alright, we're not coming down too much. We just want to get that breath under control. Alright, here we go. Grab your weights again. Alright, bicep curls into a front press, okay? Into a press right here. Okay, so palms facing forward, bicep curl up, press up, come back down. Okay? Keep that back in tall, keep that core engaged. Good. Great job, everybody. Keep it breathing. Again, standing proud here, okay? Chest is proud, shoulders are relaxed, both feet down, balance that body. Keep working. Great job. You got this. Keep going. Nice. Stay strong. 10 more seconds. Then we're gonna go into a push and pull, okay? Alright, gonna relax. Push and pull. Elbows 90 degrees. I'm just gonna tell you so you can see better. You're pushing forward, pulling back, okay? Forward and back. Again, those weights, they're on a railroad track, okay? So keep them nice and in line. Biceps are working. Back is working. Shoulders are working. Nice and controlled. Again, palms facing up. Push forward. Pull all the way through. Good. That weight should be feeling heavy for you now, okay? Feeling in those biceps. Nice and easy. Nice and controlled. Whew. Great job, everybody. You got this. Okay? Pull all the way back, okay? Get those elbows right behind you. Forward and back. Railroad track. Give me a couple more. And relax. Take those arms out. Back to that first exercise. Bicep curls into a press. Right here. Good. How we doing? Keep it going. You got this. Feel those arms work, okay? Biceps are burning. Good. Again, working biceps, working shoulders here, okay? Keep that back tall. Keep that core engaged. Great job, everybody. 30 seconds left of these. Almost there. Get that weight up. If that weight's starting to feel too heavy, you can't get that weight up, take a little break, and then join me again, okay? We got 10 more seconds of these. Last set coming up next. Okay, stay strong. Alright, second exercise. Push and pull. Push forward, pull through. Okay, side view. 9-degree elbows. Push and pull. Alright. Good. Feel those biceps. Feel that back work, okay? You got this. Keep those weights in line with each other. Alright, we're not going up high. We're not doing upward fly or anything, okay? 30 seconds left. Stay strong. Finish strong. You got this. I know you do. Believe in yourself. Push through it. Alright? You'll thank yourselves after. Good. 10 seconds. Give me 2 more. 1 more. And relax. Alright, great job. Take a little breather, grab some water, wipe some sweat. We're gonna work some abs and core next, okay? So we'll bring it down to that mat. Alright, nice and easy. Alright, here we go. We'll bring it down to the mat. Alright, hands down, legs are out, working some flutter kicks. Shoulders can come up if you want a little extra challenge. Toes point to the ceiling, legs are straight. Abs engaged here. Stay strong, keep it tight, keep it breathing. Good job. Alright, we're gonna go right into some scissor kicks. Point the toes to that bottom wall, legs are straight, overlap at that center. Good. Shoulders are up. You want that challenge. It's going to engage those abs. $20 seconds left. Almost there. Great job, everybody. Keep going, keep going. And time. Great job. Drop those legs. Lay it down. Lay it back. Catch that breath. Breathe some air back into your body here. Alright. Right knee in. Pull it to the chest. Rotate the ankles if you like. Keep it breathing. Switch sides, other knee in. Great job today, everybody. Again, it was all about you. You're doing what you can. Alright, if you didn't go straight through the workout, try it again next time. See if you last the whole time. Alright. Alright, gonna relax. Roll it on over onto the stomach. Hips down, chin up. Alright, sit it back, child's pose. Reach those hands forward. Chin down toward your chest. Sitting back on those heels. Alright, reach those hands forward. Alright, nice and easy. Come on up. Right here to the knees. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Let me know in the comments below how this workout was for you. Alright, did it kick your butt? I hope so. If not, grab some heavier weights next time. Work that cardio a little bit faster, okay? There's always about that progress, okay? Those steps to get to where you want to be. Alright, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.